Right here, we have the best Air Jordan 1 investment you can make right now. Please hit that thumbs up. Hitting that thumbs up really does help the channel grow. Let's get this video up to 500 likes, and I'll give away this Jordan 1 in another video. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. Hit that thumbs up. Sit back, and let's unbox this Jordan 1. Once again, this is the best. The absolute best Air Jordan 1 investment you can make right now. We have a massive unboxing, and in this box is, in my opinion, the best Air Jordan 1 investment you can make right now. Let's jump right into this. I did open up the box already because it was so big. It made it a lot easier for me just to open up the box before recording. Let's open these up. Right here we have a Jordan 1 box, as you guys can see. This is a men's pair, but in this video we're not going to talk about men's pairs. We're going to talk about grade school of this Air Jordan 1. Right here we have a pair size 10. Shout out to the homie Chris for sending me this pair. We did GUA, gift upon arrival. So if you're looking to sell me any sneakers, hit me up on Instagram, gift upon arrival. I get them in, I legit check them. Of course, do a video, and I will be paying you out once I get the shoes and legit check them. So shout out to Chris. I'll be paying you after I check them out. They do look good right off the jump. And the label right here, woo, we have a sneaker that is undervalued. The Air Jordan 1 Shadow 2.0. This is a men's pair, but like I said, in this video, we're going to talk about grade school. You see these Travis Scott Air Jordan 1s? These can be yours for just $9.99. All you guys need to do is hit that top link down below in the description, cop a sticker for $9.99, and you can win hype sneakers, just like the Travis Scott Air Jordan 1s right here. You can also win University Blue Air Jordan 1s, Shadow 2.0, Air Jordan 1s, Hyper Royal Jordan 1s, Man Air Jordan 3s, Fire Red 4s, Yeezys, the list goes on. Click the top link down below in the description, and you can win some hype, expensive sneakers. I'll be picking some winners, multiple winners, in 2 weeks. So make sure you guys go cop a sticker, and good luck. Grade School Shadow Air Jordan 1 2.0s, in my opinion, are the best, one of the best, possibly the best Air Jordan 1 investment you can make right now. Grade school, grade school, grade school. Let me pull them out, make sure they look good. So far they look good. Shadow Air Jordan 1 2.0s. Grade school, grade school, grade school, grade school. Guys, buy them, buy them, buy them. They're undervalued right now. You can go get grade school for like 180, 170, 180 a pair. What? They're gonna go to 300. They're gonna go to 350. Easy, easy, without a doubt in my mind. I would say definitely hitting 300 probably by the end of the year. Guys, they're undervalued. They are totally undervalued. 170, 180 for grade school Shadow 2.0 Air Jordan 1s. Retails 130 plus tax. Guys, it's like 30, 40 bucks on top. Go buy them. Go buy them. They're a great investment. In my opinion, one of the best investments because they are affordable. They're under $200 and they're gonna go up easily over $100. You're gonna make really good money. If you have a bunch of money, a bunch of capital, go out there, look for grade school, specifically grade school pairs of Jordan 1 Shadow 2.0s. I do recommend 5.5 through 7 because they're easier to sell later on. Also gonna go up the quickest. Go get them. Grade school Shadow 2.0 Air Jordan 1s. There's a few reasons I say it. First of all, colorway. Guys, very clean, very wearable. At the end of the day, it's a very wearable Air Jordan 1. This is a really another good example of a Jordan 1 grade school pair that will go up. However, they're more money to invest in. These are a lot cheaper in grade school than this sneaker is. Speaking about this sneaker, I am giving away this sneaker. Make sure you guys hit that thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think about the Shadow 2.0 Air Jordan 1s, and give me a follow on Instagram. Then DM me proof that you did everything. I'm picking a winner in about 2 weeks for the University Blue Air Jordan 1s. Good luck. Quality is very, very good, except the leather could be softer, but it's very, very good nonetheless. Not bad at all. Like I said, it could be a little bit better, but nonetheless, it's still a dope colorway. A very wearable Air Jordan 1. Wearable as can be. You can wear them with everything. They're gonna do numbers. They're undervalued. This right here is the Shadow Air Jordan 1, the OG. This is my brother's pair. He beats the crap out of them. The grade school pairs and men's pairs of these are like $500-$600 brand new. There's no reason that this sneaker should not be half the price of this sneaker. Absolutely, without a doubt in my mind. These are going up, men's and grade school, but like I said, go out there and buy grade school because they're cheaper. Under $200, that's the goal, right? Under $200 a pair, and you want to make $150 a pair. That's a great investment, and that's exactly what's going to happen with grade school pairs of the Shadow Air Jordan 1 2.0. Let me know what you guys think about the Shadow Air Jordan 1 2.0 down below in the comments. Are they a cop? Are they a drop? Let me know if you're investing in pairs and how many pairs do you own. I am looking to buy more pairs, so if you have some pairs for sale, shoot me a DM. They're very, very clean. Definitely a must cop. I have a personal and I have some pairs that I'll be giving away on sticker purchases. So make sure you guys go buy a sticker. Click the top link down below in the description and you can win some really hype sneakers like these. I'm also doing, once again, University Blue Air Jordan 1s because I do have a bunch of pairs. And one lucky person is going to win some Travis Scott Air Jordan 1s. Be sure to go click the top link down below in the description. Go cop a sticker, $9.99. Good luck. Be running for another 2 weeks. And somebody's going to win some Travis Scott Air Jordan 1s. Multiple winners, a bunch of hype sneakers. I'm on Air Jordan 3s. University Blue Jordan 1s, University Blue Jordan 4s, Hyper Royal Jordan 1s, Fire Red 4s. Click the top link down below in the description. Go cop a sticker. More family, I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. Let me know if you guys agree with me or disagree with me down below in the comments of this Air Jordan 1 investment. Like I said, in my opinion, this is probably the best, one of the best, definitely one of the best Air Jordan 1 investments you can make right now. In my opinion, probably the best. It's really, really good. Go out there, go cop this Air Jordan 1 now before it's too late. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. Please hit that thumbs up. Hitting that thumbs up really does help the channel grow. Let's get this video up to 500 likes. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. Make sure you guys join the More family. Hit that subscribe button. Smash that like button. We're always on the grunt. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.